So now I will show you how to make manual update for TNP, Nabaraya, and Navtex. It is only same procedure how to make manual updates. So you will go to manual update, just go to Nabi and go to manual update. So this is the catalog, list and planning. So list, you can show all manual updates you have been plotted manual on the chart. We will go to plan to make a manual update. So planning, then go to add. Then you can select here chart symbol what you like. So we have 3 areas, so point, line, and areas. So now I will make a manual update. For example, like this one is